Hashing it all, basic bake. We're going to do a tiny wee test. Earth and the foaming agus blending again on our sounds and our blending. So ha me a dollar goed 3 litre suas in screen. I'm going to put 3 letters up. Agus foam machine a goed in a litre call. I need to put the letters together. Agus hashisha a dollar Gaelic. You're going to try and read them and shout out the blends of the sounds when you know them. And then your grown-ups will put a tick for every one you get right, and we'll count them up, count the ticks up at the end. Okay, there's your Jason. And toss your sheen. Clever. Jay Leach the hasha. Ooh. 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 Jerviach Curiad Caller. Jen, pause my Yamis too. Pause the video if you need to think. Oos. Jaishalas on and Regerst. Loose. Loose. Gleva and I yes. Ooh. Ah. Ah, fatte. Curiad Caller. Ooh. Jerviach. Lar. Lar. Gleva. Okay, now yes. Ooh. Okay, Curiad Caller. Ooh. Jerviach. Ooh. Jayshell. Lass. Lass. Jay Leach the hasha. Gleva. Ooh. K. Ooh. K. Curiad Caller. Ooh. K. Jayhound. Much. Gleva. Much. Agus an fair mi yedig. Jay Leach the hasha. K. K. Curiad Caller. K. Jayhound. Jeva mache. Mach. Gleva. Kimmen and dur should have a word. Jay ho fittest in your derivation. How difficult or easy was that? Let us know.